My name is Dr. Sonita Simelus. I am an assistant teaching professor and public health scholars faculty mentor here in the College of Health Sciences, Department of Public Health. Public health is the science and also the art of protecting and improving the health of people and their communities through health education and health promotion. Public health involves educating communities about important health issues impacting them, promoting healthy lifestyles, researching disease prevention, and responding to public health emergencies. So public health professionals like myself, so we kind of work to create conditions in which everyone can be healthy, addressing factors like equitable access to healthcare, quality education, and environmental safety. The Mizzou Public Health Program offers a comprehensive coursework to address health challenges in various communities. So it is designed to equip students with a robust understanding of public health principles like practical skills and research experience, and most importantly, a commitment to improving the health and well-being of communities. So some of the key components of the program here at Mizzou include an interdisciplinary approach where the program integrates knowledge and methods from various disciplines such as epidemiology, biostatistics, health promotion, environmental health sciences, and public health policy. And then secondly, the program includes a hands-on experience. So Mizzou public health students have the opportunity or many opportunities for practical experience through internships, field placements, and research projects. Public health is a very dynamic and multidisciplinary field that requires a willingness to learn and adapt. As a mentor, I'm open to meet and discuss any interest students may have about public health.